Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I got this flat bed frame from via online shop called Shopee, and so here is the instruction manual in Chinese, but I can use the pictures at least. So yeah, everything is here that I need. So I have fastened these the ends of the bed frame already. I have put them together like this. There are some bolts here, I mean nuts, and then you screw some bolts in on the side. It's very good system. Here is the headboard. So it comes, it even has this big long plank. Maybe I put the plank in the corner here. Okay, so we are gonna mount together this stuff. Okay, so both ends have been put together. This is the foot end, obviously, and that is the head end. So it has been duly mounted with these bolts and nuts. So I suppose we're gonna put these ones after a while, and probably that long one there. Okay. So I have reached the point where the foot end and the head end are combined together with these long planks here. But I did a mistake first time I mounted it. This is supposed to be up. I had it inverted, so now I had to dismantle everything, but now it's back again. I was arrogant because I thought that the picture was not really detailed enough, right? So that's how it goes, guys. When you're arrogant, you will pay the price, the penalty, and humble yourself and go on. Okay, see you soon in the next sequence. Okay, I have come almost to an end of the bed. What was not in the description as of the picture was how to fasten these guys, but it probably says in the Chinese text, but my Chinese is a bit rusty. So this headboard is fastened to the bed frame like this, and here with an angle, same here and same here. So I think we are ready for putting these planks together. I don't know how it's gonna be, guys. Oh, what happens? Oh my, oh my. Is it too long? Oh, I don't know what's going on here, guys. I think I have to let go a little bit of the bolts. See what happened here. Okay, so here we are. I had to rectify these guys because this one was on that side and opposite, so it was too little space here for the planks. But now I I got the planks, and I'm just gonna put them on the bed here. Okay. Okay, after several hours, I think 3 hours, I have finally managed to put together this bed in a proper way. So I did several mistakes because I'm not a professional. So one of the things is I put one of these together with this one on the opposite, from the opposite side, so it was too narrow. Anyway, I have now fastened almost all the planks with screws, even if we don't do that in Norway as far as I know, but it says you should use screws to fasten it, so that's what I did. Okay guys, so now it's time to get that big mattress on board here. Okay, finally the bed is bed frame is made and the mattress is put on. So this is how it looks. And for your information, I have put some wooden blocks under the legs or feet of the bed frame, because I want to be able to use this space under the bed to put some stuff there. Okay. Sweating Viking from Pattaya. I did a job that, well, I didn't do many times in my life, this kind of job, so finally I got lucky, but it took some time, but the result is okay. Yeah.